Hello, my name is Midshipman Ricardo Olivares, 3rd class, and this is my sea strainer changing video for the Shipboard Systems 1C project. The first step to changing this sea strainer, and any sea strainer, is to close both the inlet and outlet valves to the sea chest. In this particular case, the outlet valve was closed from MCCS, and the inlet valve is closed manually and can be seen earlier in this video. Once these valves are closed, the next step will be to vent and remove the vent from the sea chest. Venting the sea chest will remove the internal pressure, and removing the actual vent itself allows the sea chest lid to be removed. Once the vent has been removed, then using either a combination wrench or power tools, you'll remove the bolts holding the lid to the sea chest down, securing it. This is done using a chain fall, as the lid is very heavy, made out of cast iron, copper nickel, very strong metal. Once the lid is removed and secured, the next step will be to hoist the sea strainer out of the sea chest. This is also done using chain fall, as the sea strainer is deceptively heavy. And right about now, we're finally able to maneuver the sea strainer out of the sea chest. Once the sea strainer is firmly on the ground, the next step will be to clean the actual sea chest itself, removing any debris and grime that may have built up on the lid near the O-ring or seals, which might cause any leaks. In this particular case, the sea strainer itself was not that dirty. Yes, there was some grime, some filth, some built up icky stuff in the bottom, but compared to other sea strainers that I cleaned throughout my sea year, this was a very relieving sight to see. Now that the dirty sea strainer has been removed from the sea chest and from the staging area, it's time to move the clean sea strainer back to the staging area and then into the sea chest. Again, this process took a while, as there are many obstructions between where we originally staged the clean sea strainer and getting it into the sea chest itself. During this step, and for the rest of the maneuvering of the sea strainer steps, I'm just a chain fall guy. I'm taking orders from first and from second, maneuvering the chain fall the way they want it to be maneuvered. Again, this process took a while, but we were finally able to maneuver and finagle the sea strainer back into the sea chest. Now, it's at the end of this video because my phone, which had been recording for over 3 hours, decided to die. But the steps to bring the sea strainer back online are the same as it is to take it offline, just reverse. So you're still going to use a chain fall to maneuver the lid. You're still going to use power tools to bolt the lid back down. And then once that's done, you're going to reattach the vent, you're going to close the drain, and then you're going to open both the inlet and outlet valves, and then bam, the sea chest is operational and back online. Now we are cleaning the sea strainer we removed earlier from the low sea chest. The first step, which isn't included in this video, is to spray the sea strainer with chemicals which will treat it and help kill any bacteria. Then you'll use a shop vac to start sucking out any of the grime and hitting the sides with a wire brush and a scraper to remove any barnacles or built up residues. The picture just shown is an example of how dirty a sea strainer can get, as there are plenty of barnacles and built up gunk in this sea strainer. And then finally here we have the finished product, our clean sea strainer, what it looks like after we're done cleaning it. The sea strainer will sit out in the air, continuing to dry and clean itself until it's ready to go back into one of the sea chests and be used again. Thank you for your time and for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something.